everyone, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, it's Friday. You know what time it is? It's time for another cooking video. So today, we're going to do just an old classic favorite of mine, but we're going to do it on the Steelmadeusa grill. Speaking of that grill, it's Christmas time, guys. It's the perfect gift for mom, dad. Hell, even the kids can use it. Grandma, grandpa. You need to pick one up. I'll explain the grill a little bit later in the video, so watch it all the way to the end, guys. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Let's get started with some good old-fashioned steaks. The star of this show, nothing more than ribeye steak. So basically what I did, I found a fairly cheap ribeye roast at the store. It was a 2-bone roast, so I had them just cut it in half. Made 2 nice sized ribeye steaks out of it. And so that's the main ingredient, of course. Then for seasoning on this, we're going to do simply some pink Himalayan sea salt. I got some garlic butter here, some black pepper, seasoning salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. That's it. So that's all that's going to be required for this steak. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. We're going to go ahead and season the steak up, because I need them to set out for about 15-20 minutes and absorb some of the seasoning here. So we're going to go ahead and start with our pink Himalayan sea salt. And we're going to give these a good dose here. This is some thick meat. This is about 1.5 inches. So you got to get some salt in there. So I don't want to hear in the comments, oh, it's too much salt, it's too much salt. Alright. And from there, I'm going to add my black pepper. I got some in another container I'm going to use here. Some black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And some Lawry's seasoning salt. If you don't know about Lawry's, you better know. A little bit of Lawry's. So at that point, I'm just going to flip them over. Grab a fork here. We're just going to flip them over. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Pink Himalayan sea salt. Nice dose. Some black pepper, a little garlic powder, and some Lawry's seasoning salt. For those of you guys don't understand Lawry's seasoning salt. Alright. So we're going to let the steak sit out. They've already been room temperature, but I'm going to let them absorb some of the seasoning and let them sweat for a little bit with that seasoning on them. Then we're going to throw them on the grill. Let me explain this grill for you here. The Steelmade grill is an American-made grill top that actually turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. I've had this thing for about 5 months. I absolutely love it. I cook everything on it. So let me show it to you real quick. So this is the Steelmade grill. It's a very simple piece. It's just a piece of flat iron. And you put it on top of your stove top. Mine, you can see, has been worn in. It's nice and clean. I cooked on it when it was the last time? Sunday morning, I think. But it goes on top. You got 4 eyes. And then you got a cool spot here in the middle. But you set it on top of your stove top. And you turn it on to the temperature you want. I love this thing, guys. So it is Christmas time. So go ahead and purchase this for your mom, your dad, your husband, your wife, your grandma, granddad. Hell, even the kids can use it. So, and I am an affiliate, so it gives me a little bit off. If you go ahead and click on the first link in my description, it'll give you 10% off when you check out. So go ahead and use that affiliate link. You guys need to try this, but you'll see me cook on it here, guys. So that's the Steelmade grill. I am going to put a little bit of garlic butter on my grill. A little bit up here. A little bit there. A little bit over here. Tad bit more. There we go. Spread this around just a little bit. All right. So as you can see, the steak's been sitting out a little bit, starting to sweat a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and throw one on back here. Hear that sizzle? There we go. So these are gonna take a few minutes. We're gonna brown them on both sides. Then we're gonna let them cook and get to a nice medium is what we usually like them. Maybe a medium rare. But I'm gonna throw on some mushrooms here as well. Just to go with the steak. No onions, just mushrooms. Throw these on back here. So you can see the versatility of the Steelmade grill. You can cook everything you got in one swoop. Let me season up these mushrooms a little bit. A little salt, a little pepper. So a little bit more garlic butter down there. But there we go guys. So we're gonna let these cook. I'm gonna guesstimate probably about 5 minutes per side, but we're gonna come back and check them. And after you cook so long on the Steelmade, you can understand what your doneness of your food is. But we'll look at those in about 5-6 minutes, and then we'll flip them over. And some people say only flip your steaks once. I don't even understand that. Flip it till you get the color that you want, the doneness you want. Right, so I went ahead and flipped these steaks. I want you to take a look at these. Woo-hoo! Look at the color on these bad boys. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and mess with my mushrooms here a little bit, flip them over. Alright guys, so we're going to let these cook on the other side. Like I do suggest flipping your steaks whenever you want to, but when you first initially put them on, let them get that sear first before you touch them. And that's exactly what we did. Alright guys, look at these steaks, they're beautiful. Flip them up over on one side here. They're just about done. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, they're just about done. I can almost tell. Flip that one over a little bit. Flip that one over. Let it cook for about another 2 minutes. They're almost done. I'm gonna set them in the middle. And just as a little surprise, I went ahead and threw on a little bit of shrimp there. We're gonna have some steak and shrimp and mushrooms here tonight. Ribeye steak, old-fashioned way. On the Steelmade USA grill. By the way, if you want one of those, go ahead and click on the first link in my description. It'll give you 10% off. Perfect holiday gift, guys. But you know what I'm waiting on? I'm waiting on that bite. Doesn't get any better than this, but you know I'm waiting on that bite, so I'm gonna get it. Let me get a nice piece of steak here. Tastes like butter. Let me get a little bite of potato. Oh Lord, hey, I can't talk anymore. weren't. But make sure you click on the first link in the description and get the Steelmadeusa grill. Turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. Go get one, guys. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.